Welcome to Chanan Academy. In today's class, we'll be talking about the BODMAS rule. So the BODMAS is a rule that guides us whenever we are solving mathematical problems involving more than one operation. It helps us place these operations in order. So let's take, for example, if we have 16 minus 7 multiply by 8. So if you point your calculator, 16 minus 7 multiply by 8, the result will be minus 40. How about we do, so this is what the calculator will give to you. So let's solve ourselves. 16 minus 7 multiply by 8. 16 minus 7, we have 9. So 9 multiplied by 8, 72. So between minus 40 and 72, which do you think is correct? So this is where BODMAS comes in, because two students can be in an exam hall and they give them the same question, and one solved directly with his pen and the other punch his calculator, and both of them are having different answer. One of them is correct. So let's check the BODMAS. With BODMAS, we'll be able to check which of the answers are correct. So let's go. All right, so this is BODMAS. The B means brackets. It means we start solving anything inside the brackets. If there's anything inside the bracket, that's what we'll start solving first. Like in our previous example, there's nothing inside the bracket. After that, the order, and that means power and root. Examples are like 2, this is power, and root, we can say root 4. These are order. Okay, so the next we have is division and multiplication. One thing you must know about the division and the multiplication is that both of them have same ranking. Both of them have the same ranking, just the way addition and subtraction have the same ranking. You start solving from the left to the right. All right, so we'll take some examples. So let's see this first example. 50 minus 5 multiply, open bracket, 4 plus 6 close bracket. So let's start. The BODMAS says we start from the bracket. So we have 50 minus 5 multiply, open bracket, 4 plus 6 is 10. All right, so the next will go after the B, will go to order. There's nothing under the order, so the next is multiplication. Since there is no division, minus 5 multiply 10, the result is 50. So our final answer is 0. So this is what we have. So all right, let's check the next example. 15 plus 20 divide by 5 multiply by 2. All right, so we'll start. Is there any bracket? We don't have any bracket. Okay, is there any order? There is none. Okay, how about division? We have division. So we have division and we also have multiplication. Remember, both of them have the same ranking, but we start solving from the left to the right. So it is the division that is in the left and multiplication is to the right. So we start with division. So we have 15 plus 20 divided by 5. What's our result? The result is 4. Multiply by 2. The next we're going to solve is the multiplication. So 15 plus 4 multiply by 2. The result is 8. So 15 plus 8, our result is 23. So this is our answer. Let's move on to the next one. So we have 8 minus 5 multiply by 4 divide by 2. So 8 minus 5, we have 3 multiply by 4 divide by 2. Remember, division and multiplication both have same ranking. So we start solving from the left to the right. So what is at the left hand side? It is the multiplication. Multiplication is at the left hand side, while division is at the right. So we start from multiplication. All right, so 3 multiplied by 4, the result is 12. Divide by 2. 12 divided by 2, the result is 6. So our answer is 6. The next one we'll be solving is have 10 plus open bracket 6 divide by 2 close bracket all raised to power 2. Remember, BODMAS says bracket first, then the order, then division, multiplication, and addition, subtraction. Okay, so we'll deal with the brackets. So we have 10 plus brackets 6 divided by 2, we have 3. So the order, that 10 go to order, 3 raised to power of 9, 3 raised to power of 2 is 9. So 10 plus 9, the answer is 19. So that's our answer. Okay, at this point I would like to give us a tip on when to use BODMAS. You use BODMAS when the operations in the question are addition and subtraction only. You don't need to use BODMAS. So we can say if we have 2 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus 5. Plus 5. Whichever way you solve this question, you will still get the same answer. So let's try solving from the right hand side. 2 minus 6, the result is minus 4, plus 7 minus 8 plus 5. Okay, minus 4 plus 7, the result is 3, minus 8 plus 5. 3 minus 8, the result is minus 5 plus 5 plus 5, and the result will be 0. So from the left hand side, the result is 0. So let's try from the right hand side and see if we have the same. Okay, let's start solving from the right hand side. We have 2 we have 2 minus 6 plus 7, so minus 8 plus 5, the result is minus 3. Okay, So we have 2 minus 6, 7 minus 3. The result is 4. Okay, 2 minus 6 plus 4. The result is minus 2. So we have 0. So the left hand side and the right hand side both are 0. So when your operation has only positive and negative, you don't bother using board mathematics. Whichever way you solve, you get your answer. Also, when the question has only division and multiplication, you don't bother using board mathematics, because whichever way you solve, you get the same answer. So let's take some example or an example. 5 multiplied by 2 divide by 3. So 5, let's solve from the left hand side. 5 multiplied by 2, the result is 10. Divide by 3. If 10 is divided by 3, the result will be 3.333. Okay, this is solving from the left hand side. Result is 3.333. All right, so let's solve from the right hand side. From the right hand side, 2 divides by 3. 2 divides by 3. The results, let's say 5 multiply. 2 divided by 3, the result will be 0.666. 5 multiplied by 666. The result is 3.333. So our right hand side is also equal to 3.333. So in general, you don't use board math when the equation only have addition and subtraction only. You don't use board. Don't use board maths. If the equation has only division and only don't use this. Reason is because addition and subtraction both has the same ranking, and division and multiplication also have same ranking. Whichever way you solve, you get the same answer. But however, always remember to solve from the left hand side whenever you have just addition and subtraction. Note, always solve from left to right. Always solve from left to right when it has only addition and subtraction, or only division and multiplication. All right, thank you for watching today's class to the end. Please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and share, and also drop your comments.